Frequent drought cycles and hot, arid weather are the norm for California. Transforming your yard is one of the easiest ways to rack up big water-saving wins, especially since 60% of an average home's water use is outdoors, and often half of that is wasted. Give your outdoor landscaping a sustainable, water-wise glow-up by taking advantage of our revamped lawn replacement program. SCV Water's Reimagined program offers a $3 per square foot incentive for replacing your lawn and a 50-cent per square foot incentive for using California and SCV native plants. It also offers more flexibility to mix, match, and stack additional incentives and rebates to enhance your project. And that's not all. SCV Water customers now have access to a new, easy-to-use rebate estimator that helps you calculate the amount of money you could receive by updating your irrigation components and converting your lawn to a beautiful, sustainable, drought-tolerant landscape. Thank you for doing your part to protect our most vital resource. We don't have a drop to waste. Get started today by visiting DroughtReadySCV.com.